e pese ye di hihye foforo bebre eba na asesa ye shebre na ye nyina etimi anya Ghana home faso ya nom de upese uye bibia omusi entimi ye it is impossible bibia upese uye omunti ase omusi it is impossible maybe my dream is nyame adom it is possible bibia anywhere ye pese ya fa dream into aye juma yentimi nye ye betimi aye adia abrofo no omo aye no sa yeso ye betimi aye o Ghana ha e o Africa ha ye ka say ye the free senior high school education eba almost say yentimi ye almost aye 419 ye muka ye no ye yes, the mobile money interoperability eba. Obient me and Yabi or Africa. Say we use it from bank account to mobile phone network from one to the other. Yes, almost yent me, Yes, the digital address system eba Ghana. Tiebia or Dewa address. Almost yent me, You see the drones, the drone vaccines, any moja, hospitals, almost to me, almost drones, no, become my photo, or almost bathroom, You see a sea hostel, Amakaya, almost to me, You see a Zongo Development Fund, almost to me, You see a networking all the hospitals, patient data, teaching hospitals, district hospitals, and regional hospitals. Almost to me, You see Ghana card, who bet me offer to KWAN from abroad to Ghana. Almost say a boy, Bibia who pese Yanum say untuminye. Wemuna mupase yamfa yemai ensho musa. Yamfa yemai ensho mu. Sa jini entuminye bibia. Yepe the mindset of possibilities. Say ube what innovations will GDS ube timiaye. GDS untimiya ube timiaye untimi. But if you believe, say, ubetimiaye, and that is the mindset of possibilities. The person in Ghana call new level. Now they call in the digital age. Now a juma baby, and then Yamia Adum Namibe president. The person made the solar power generation of electricity to reduce the cost of electricity in Ghana. You share your environment with the 2,000 megawatts of solar power. Every kind of generation makes so. Now at the cost of electricity above by 50%. Now Afua Yenina. Juma hairdressers, barbers, electricians, Benya lower cost of electricity. Na omudi yejuma na eko. Public transport be the system from a dependence on oil and gas on fuel for public transport, diesel and petrol. We are moving to electric power. We are moving to electric vehicles. Sana yeko. 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, 4-wheelers yene kamu. Electric vehicles no estimates ninyi na heavy nyamiadom buses no omo start here but before to aba now the electric buses are too extra. Now cost of public transport are down by at least 40%. Now yenya no home for so the person mamunu yenya ejuma aye. Jobs will be my major focus. Now, maybe training 1 million youth in digital skills. 1 million youth in digital skills. Ohona ejumano ewo. Ubetimenya digital skills. Unko university, as long as you can read and write, you better me train you. Now when your digital skills, uti Akuapem na uyechuma what America, what Canada, what Japan, what UK, now uti high because our digital skills, not limited only to Ghana. The whole world is open for you. That's how the business people. So with the new tax policy, the new tax policy a flat rate of tax. So the Estonia for 10% obia beto 10%. So the what church no tight. A simple tax system uni GRE in near Sambia ubetimi calculating o tax liability. So before I ever share next year businesses individuals need the tax amnesty abre obia tax amnesty. So the eventually say obia ND GRA kabio nina chemu tax amnesty for all businesses, for all individuals. You're going to port Mosoa, you're the new flat tax system about port. We are charging the duty at a flat rate in cities. In cities. Spare parts now they buy container, yabemao bill, 40-foot container, 20,000 cities. Anytime I be through 20,000 cities, Obia and Bokanchero a different rate at any time. So you knew predictability from the time you send the goods from to the time we use our goods. No change in duty, no discretion. Now from customs officers, yet the flat rate of duty ever in cities. Now predictability aba mimi gidi say ye sa kulula airport no ebetwa so na ye nyina anya sika e de aye control juma wo Ghana ha niema bebre na ye de ba the manifesto you be releasing in a few weeks time na monya so many details are because so many new policies. Because of digitalization, passport application is going to be a thing of the past. Ukuta Ghana Kada, and here say obey apply for passport and fill a form. Ukuta Ghana Kada, ubetria OFIE, naya printing u passport amount. No need, you want all the information, you want biometrics, you want picture, you want BBR information. So with a Ghana card, you don't need to go and fill a form to apply for a passport. Pay the fee, we'll bring the passport for you. Digitalization, Ghana is going into the digitalization age. We are not going back into the Akuapem age. Into the digitalization age. Mumbuami, Nayamfa Ghana to a next level. The idea of Abrafono Omo Yeno, yes, we bet me. Yet the new policies eba. William who say Yano Nipa Odenebano. Obet me a president just for 4 years. 4 years ago, that's all. Now I say call honeymoon. Call honeymoon yeba. Say 4 years now so. La media Nyamiadum me person be president for 8 years. And can I say, Montomamia, Mesamba, I will have accountability. Neba, Akuapem, Nama, Mabeche, Ejuma, Maye, Mpienino, Naboniswa, Namamami, Atwaso. And yes, only here, Montomanoa, bye bye, no. Bye, I'll call employment on Mahabio, no accountability. Ghana, the president. Brand new president with new ideas, new innovation, integrity. Ukraine, a new Ghana, a new dawn, a new Ghana, a new dawn. Let us take Ghana to the next level. Miramasi, Yamishiramu, Yamishiramu.
Abusuantino Ghana Obama. Watch them say even say Oko apply for passport say to Obama na say Oba wo Ghana card o apply for passport and once we atua ka utifie na ya print ne de wade abrewo we ni nyina no eye nhehye a ode egu akwamu a wo hwe say o my Ghana say obedi so say o mampani a obehwe na yatoto saa enioma ni nyina what's digitalization a will lead campaign of it no or hwese bibia beto na akwamu to te na watimi edisa ade ma nyina aba enu ntino ye nto aba man se Ghana emampani 2024 yi emu obi bisa se na se ubetimi aya sa ade ye ube sisu a ye besi uzu anke ye hye ubetimi aya ade ntina wo ye vice president no enka unyina wanam so nyam ye hu se sa ne ma nyina no ade a ubetimi aya se be ya ye senia wawe Akuapem no wakase obewi achichidi a yenyi na chini enti aye biafo why say na aye biafo giana wadi kan aye yenimsi ye di ukogina se mrahye bedwani ne eto aba ma betumi ato aso ama enti se wadi mampani abedi akire panyi die ena nka ye ne sesi ai na utumi ye ne sesi ade anka bebo ai ama ye hu se Dr Bawumia ne me boss as baby jet Asamoa Gyan amano so akire no baby jet I think say our political ambition I think say onyaya kaso ampotem ho onya MP obedi wo ho pa but see ase no de ne ho hihye politics mu no football no wanya gba awie wa retard ya na che say ye hwe say ho no so obewura ho a was say intem de baby jet o de ne ho hihye amanwese mu amanyo pa osono guguruko na NPP'S aka ne ho asem ne hwene no ne edro be ne ye pipe a ye di ifu yi di dislodge odi ma ha kwa ho ade nchin abusuanti Ghana News TV so no anigu a wo hwe no bedin ene nana sefa hwene bobo Mr. say senende di kan aba ha wo hwe me ano subscribe no wa share dia ma Mr. so say Facebook na hwe me ne ha Ghana News TV a Mr. wa bomode ana share video e ma me na omanfo hunu ne e course so ewo eye manfe bipo no so ho ebra His Excellency Dr Bawumia any boys abre yura samia uko ekoye nom koye work Asamoa Gyan ka ho bi Kalyboss Asante ka ho bi Guru ka ho bi Ghana Post pani yura by so say Kufuor Obour ene na hotedin wa ka ho bi na menka o say ANS trading agency na so masene o mo say wo ne ma akwantu ma bomode ane from no mo famre o my Ghana mu ma na ekoba ne sa ummo ka bia abusua ma me fa nsi anam na wase ha Ghana News TV so Macrow, you better share your next video. Na bra, me do AC there. Na yenko tie sankomwe. abexpress.com ni ANS Trading Agency say omo nkomo bi on pese omo ne o etwetwe ho enti no yenko tie omo abra me do AC ha Ghana News TV so me din no ene nana sefa bobo.
Menu makwekwe sa sempa kania semenam na meti asempa na mamo amane a na ma no keka me anyambia wati ANS Trading Agency Limited nka se wo ka se door to door for no de na watwa esanse obie ne wa wo se wo sa door to door business nim wo nneoma wo UK a wo de ko Ghana ana se Germany a wo de ko Ghana 3 to 5 weeks ebekwa kodu nipa ne punu anu se try na de mo demonstration wo se adwuma de we mu ne se wo mo bo no e da form se boko ANS Trading Agency Limited ewo air freight special service and nneoma ne ye de befa play entintempa na akwa kodu obeti ma fasa akwa we ya so de nneoma free Ghana akwa UK ana Germany efejiji dem which na also agina ye na men drop bomb ANS Trading Agency Limited pe and a 40 footer any 20 footer container ya fe UK ediko Ghana ana Germany ediko Ghana omo manuoma ye mere import o export o dem there for you omo Ghana na money 0249 170 423 UK has over free 0790 802 7527 Germany so 09173 771 2733. Wobenya A&S Trading Agency Limited. Our West Croydon. A&S Trading Agency Limited. Quantum Brantem. Wana bebo ya baso. Maybe next time in your fill up from the bebro.